Weer kook vandaag. We gaan weer kook vandaag. I hope you guys enjoy this sit down. Alsjeblieft, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
I started to smoke drugs. Almost pillow. So 30 years old, I smoked drugs. 14, 15, 16, 17 years old, something began to me. And by myself, hey, but why this guy is so crazy? Or he loves Benjamin doing so much. And this is what I'm going to know vandaag naartoe bring. So ik heb gerookt, I smoked met drugs. So on my way back home, Elaine and Bobby.
Yeah.
Elaine.
Yeah.
So they were staying in Barcelona. On the corner number 1.
Yes.
So I approached, I Lua, and this song speel, leave your country and go to the land. And that time it was Pastor Benjamin. I know Pastor Benjamin, but I didn't know him. I didn't recognize him. And I fraged Elaine, who is this guy singing here? It's like this guy is calling me. He said to me, come closer. And when I come closer, he said to me, but he's speaking to me in the song. And I fraged him, is that guy speaking to me? He said, no, this guy is singing. But for me, like he said to me, come.
He's going to bless us with the solo. He's going to take us away. Stay tuned. And please like and subscribe, guys.
Bless me, Lord, oh gentle Savior.
Tell me what's your name?
Elijah Benjamin Michaels.
Tell me what's your father's name?
Kostelevac.
Tell me what's your grandfather's name?
Benjamin Dube.
Lekker!
This is my YouTube channel, Peak Name Media. Hoe lijkt jullie dan het? I'm the cameraman! Ooh, it was... Guys, I was in tears. Het was een rare presentatie geweest. Ik bedoel, een story is een story, jullie. Als één persoon kan uit Willem's uitkomen, dan kan je ook uit Willem's uitkomen. Ik denk, ik kom eens uit Johannesburg ook uit. Weet je, die leven gaan vinnig razen. Net een klein stukje. Ik kom ook van drugs af. Ja, maar lach. Maar de realiteit. En it's all in the mind, is mind over matter. Als hij maar het kan doen, kan je dit doen. Liefde. Peak Name Media. Woo!